your seat, Mary. And with a dive line, he was on his phone and I was busy doing something. The dive line snapped. When we turned around, his kayak was about a mile behind us, floating away. Fish on! Fish on! Nice little jag to start the session. We'll get in back, see if we can find another, shall we? I've got a dead bait out directly in front of you, Joe. You see the float? And I've got them covering the bait. One there, and one over there. Any luck?
I've had one, lost one. Not in that bit though, this bit here.
Alright.
Only small though.
Yeah. I'm going to try here for half hour, then I'm going to go try in that cove there for half hour, and then that's my dead bait for the day. Yeah! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Love it. Nice lock Ken Pike. Finally getting slightly bigger. Taking on the dead bait. See if we can't find a bigger one, eh? Happy days. And away that one goes, swimming off strong. Yeah, fish on. Oh no, he let go. Just had a bite on the mackerel. Unfortunately, didn't hook it. So there's definitely fish about in the margins, mate. Got another bite on the mackerel straight away. See if we can get it to actually eat it this time. Yeah, fish on! Got you this time, you b****. Oh no, it's fucking at me out again. Got that one to the boat and that came off right by it. Tiny little thing it was. So I reckon that's what picked it up the first time. Too small to even get the bait in its mouth. Being plagued by little ones, mate. Nothing big enough to even get a hook and a mackerel tail, and they're only little mackerel in its mouth. So yeah, either move or stay where you are, mate. In the depths, I wouldn't come here. This is not working.
Yeah, I've got a big bait on. The last bait I had on, I think the crays have been at it.
So I've got a bite. These pike have been a right pain in the arse. I've probably missed, or not missed, the last 5 bites I probably haven't hooked up. I think there's 2 or 3 really small pike in the area. Because I fish big singles, it makes them that little bit harder to hook. But then I'm not deep hooking any fish, so I'm going to give this one a little bit of time. I've put a little mackerel tail on here in the hope that that will actually get the hook in its mouth, or at least that's the plan. We shall see. But I'm going to give this some time to get it in its mouth. I think I have spat it out because the flow is all from there to there, and there is no L fish. I think it's probably managed to spit it out, which is a shame, but there you go. I don't want to resort to having to put trebles on. I hate trebles. So we shall see. I'll give it a couple of minutes, see if it moves off again. Yep, it's moving off again, so it's still there. So hopefully it's got it in its mouth. want to get caught. While the wind's picked up like this, I'm just going to sit and chill out, make another coffee. Hopefully we'll be in for some good action on the perch later, if the wind dies down enough to stay still and actually anchor up. We shall see. A bit longer on the dead bait and I'll either move and continue to dead bait, or go back to doing a bit of trolling. Don't know yet. All the bites have been on the mackerel, nothing on the lamprey. Lamprey's over there doing about the same amount it did when it was in the last spot before this one. Best part, bugger all. So we'll see. That float can't have gone again, surely. Yes. That little pike must be in that area. That's that. I don't know where that float is. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the is going on. Fish on! Fish on! Finally a fish that looks like it's actually on. Another one to add to the books, finally. Finally managed to hook something. After being plagued with problems, wind knots, wind, fish that didn't want to take the bait, didn't want to hook itself. One of them mornings. So I'll hold this up for a better picture and hopefully it won't jump out of my hands and then we can get it back. Another lovely Loch Ken pike. They're only small, but they all count. Let's get it back. Go on mate, off you go. I've got a float there, Barry. When did you creep behind me? Or did you go all the way around somehow?
All the way around.
Did you really? Any luck?
Yeah.
I've lost 5 fish in a row. Off.
It's really small fish, aren't they?
Yeah. I got one in the middle there, and I left it and I left it and I left it and I left it and I thought, having this, I struck it, and from where that float is there, that shot all the way across here, literally tore line off, hit that float, and the minute it hit that float it went off and just left me with this massive bird's nest.
How's your bivvy on your boat?
Well, it's doing a good job of keeping the wind off me. I'll take that for a few quid and it'll keep me dry. relatively sheltered from the wind here. That wind round there's horrendous. See what, let's see if I move. Well, you're more than welcome to hang off the back of me. Come on. Fish on. Little perchy one. No, it's not. Oh, it's roach Barry.
That's a big roach.
Nice little roach or rod. You tell me, roach or rod. Let's get him back. Apparently so. The first big bay. That's better. Spiky. Ooh. There's a spiky one. Let's get him back. Oh right, okay. That's how I started off doing what I'm doing now.
Whoa.
That's got to be a better fish, isn't it?
Yeah. Come on. Whoa.
Get your net ready, Barry. Don't use that one. Is it pike? Or perch?
Pike.
Oh, alright. Oh. I'll take that. All I need to do now is smash another bream. Yeah! You can guarantee that the fish will move as soon as you put the anchor down. So they might as well get in the middle of them. This feels a better fish. That is a better fish. I can't get my net. Yeah, that's a nice one. Nice spiky. Not Ken Spiky. Let's get him back. Oh. I ain't even got the hooks out the other net, out the net.
Might need to get it out.
It's a nice fish. Oh well, I can see these all getting tangled up. I don't give a beast. £3, 8 ounces. Absolute beauty. Let's get them back. I've still got the same annoying bite on this one. No, I haven't. It's all 3 rods out of the water. Yep. No way. I had a rough on, look, and he's tried to eat it. Hungry perch, look. Look at that bad boy. He's hungry. We'll get him back. Yeah. Oh, piss off. What a time. I reckon that's gone round that line. Yeah, it has. It's alright, it's this one. Another dinosaur. Oh. Another lovely fish. £2.6. Let's get him back. That's a bite. Oh, you absolute. It's another one of them. Bream. Another nice perch from Lock Ken. Let's get it back. Yeah. Another cracker. Hey, another beautiful Lock Ken perch. Let's get it back. Fish hole! Fish hole! Another quality spiky. Bit smaller, but a bit smaller than the last, but you know, they haven't all got to be big, have they, to be beautiful? What an absolute cracker. Let's get him back. Ooh. This one tried to take me rod, if you saw that. That was lucky, wasn't it? Awfully kind of him, trying to steal the rod. Another lovely one. Let's get him back. Fish on. Fish on married. Chance to put the other one back. They're already calling. Already. Fantastic little brace of perch, one after the other. Look at them, look. Beautiful. Hey. Ooh. Beautiful. Get them back. Go on. Surely this isn't a perch, surely. What on here? Surely not a perch. Surely not a perch on here. What is this? What on earth is this? It's taking line, I can't bring it back. This can't be a perch. Surely this can't be a perch. Surely this has got to be a pike. What is going on here? What is going on here? What? What is this taking line? What the f is this? If this is a pike, I'm never going to get this in. I don't know what this is, but it's big. It's got to be a pike. It can't be a perch, surely. I've only got £10 fluoro on, so if the I've only got £10 fluoro on, so it might bite me off in a minute. This can't possibly be a perch, surely. If it is, it's got to be about £50. Look at it go. What is going on? The thing is, it doesn't feel like a pike. It's not. Doesn't feel very pikey. Surely this isn't a perch. It can't be. Unless it's a massive bream, but then I'm sure the bream would have given up. If it's a £10 bream, it might. I mean, it's only a little diddy rod, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know what this is. I would like to get it to the surface to at least see. Surely this isn't a perch. Surely. She's coming back in. Let's see if we can get it up near the surface. Get it up near the surface and see. It can't be. Surely it can't be a pike on £10 fluoro. Come on. What on earth is this? Come on. What is this? What on earth? It's got to be a pike, surely. It's got to be a pike, surely. If I'm really lucky, bottom hook in the scissors, we might get it in. Let's see. It's only got a little lobworm on a size 2.0 hook, so who knows what it could be. Don't want to come in, does it? Feels heavy. Well, I can't imagine it's a bloody jack pike unless it's fucking £10 plus. I don't know what else it could be. I'd like to just get it to the surface, because if it's a big pike, I'm never going to get this in. Never. Never, ever, 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 ever in a million years am I going to get this in. That'll see the sunlight and that'll sod off. You watch. can't be a perch, surely. Tell me different. What does a big perch feel like? I've had the biggest perch 3.5, 3.8 is my biggest, or 3.7. So what's a big perch feel like? It can't be this, surely. Scan again. Come on. Nope. Be as gentle as I can with this. Hope it stays on. Excuse my language, but there's a time and a place for language, and I think this is it, because this is not going to be a £1 pike, that's for sure. Jason and myself have had little pike, £1 or £2 on the worm, and they've come straight in. This is not going to be a small fish. Luckily I've got the anchor nice and tight, so the anchor's directly under the boat. So I can play this round the front without having to worry about wrapping up on the anchor. Oh my days, that's a monster pike on £10 fluoro. No way! No way! No way! Double pigger pike on £10 fluoro. Oh, I've got to get this in. I haven't got my hat cam. My hat cam's over there. No way! No way! People just wouldn't believe it. Oh, don't come off because people won't believe me. Come on. Yes! Oh! Whoa. Look what it did to my size 2. No way. 19.5. It's a proper chunk. An actual beast of a fish. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what a beauty. On £10 mono. What an absolute beauty. Oh mate. On the Whaly 435, catching everything you could possibly want to catch. What a peach. What an absolute beast of a fish. Get some of that golden fish. Oh, no. Look at that. 19.5 £10 fluoro, size 2.0, drop shot hook. What is going on? What is going on? Hey? Let's get this one back. I am made up. Right, one more for the camera and I'm going to let it go. Come on. One more and I'll let you go. Come on. What an absolute beauty. What an absolute beauty. Whaly 435. Kayak and boat fishing UK. Let's get this one back. That was an unexpected turn up for the books, wasn't it? I need to remember what the pike was because I forgot. It was 19 something. size 2.0 chop shop hook. I'll take that all day long. Back to catching perchy. From large to little, look. Happy days. Let's get him back. Feels a bit more perchy. Feels like a good perch though. Hopefully perch will come back onto the mark again. Yeah. It's another lovely perch. In the net. Another beautiful perch, look. Let's get him back. Beautiful spiky from the place I'm going to name Perch Town. Let's get him back. Tiny spiky. Get him back.